4 cabinet officials who went on self-quarantine have tested negative for COVID-19. Presidential spokesperson Salvador Panelo said, Executive Secretary Salvador Medialdea, Finance Secretary Carlos Dominguez, Transportation Secretary Arthur Tugade, and Public Works Secretary Villar have not contracted the virus. Medialdea, however, will continue his 14-day self-quarantine. The 4 officials underwent self-quarantine after being exposed to a COVID-19 patient. It happened during President Duterte's inspection of the NLEX Harbor Link Conferential Road 3 R10 section on March 5. Duterte also got tested for COVID-19. His test result turned out negative.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.